NINGBO NINGSHING HENCH International Company Limited is one of the subsidiaries of NINGBO NINGSHING Holding Corporation. We specialize in exporting commodities including garments, car and home aroma products, sports and fitness products, toys, plastic units, and car accessories, etc. We have professional teams for researching and developing new products. With an excellent quality history and competitive price, our products are popular in America, Europe, and Southeast Asia markets. In addition, our company also provides an international and domestic exhibition consultancy service. Our company has a good development space, a promising future, and a strong competitive edge. Our philosophies are customer-oriented, outstanding products and quality, good service with quick responses, constantly surveying new trends around the world, and working closely with key customers worldwide to develop new items at the best price possible. This keeps our company at the front of our field. Research and development team possess the technology know-how and testing capabilities to ensure performance, reliability, and safety in each product produced. In-house 2D and 3D design team rapid respond to customers' customized graphic and product design requirements. We hope and believe that with our joint efforts and with your support, we will become your preferred supplier for your products. Only by integrating quality, research, production and sales as a whole will we achieve success. We will provide you with good service and quality, sustainable development, which will lead to increased productivity and your profits.